How to block pop-ups and redirects ad on your Chrome on your mobile. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can block your pop-ups and redirect ads on your Chrome on your mobile device. So this is applicable for your Android and iPhone as well. So before we begin, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. So let's dive right into it now. First step, locate your Google Chrome and then open it up. After you open up your Google Chrome, tap on the three dots on the top right. Then there you'll find the settings option, tap on it. After you're on your settings, you should find site settings. If you don't find it, scroll down and there you will find site settings, and when you do, open it up. After you're here, you can then scroll down and there you'll find pop-ups and redirects. Tap on that, and after you do that, simply make sure that this is blocked. So if this is turned on, make sure that you've turned it off. After you've turned it off, it will no longer be allowed, and there you can see pop-up and redirects are blocked. And that's how you block your pop-ups and redirect ads on your device. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.